What's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing a video on replacing the kidney grills on the car. It's been a while since I've uploaded, but that's because I've been really busy. It's obviously Christmas, New Year, and then there was a couple of holidays in there as well just before, so I've been super busy, and yeah, I just thought let's start fresh in the new year. And yeah, gonna try and be as consistent as possible now, so that's good. This is a job that I've wanted to do for, well, since I've had the car really. As a lot of you know, there's that chrome outline on the stock kidney grills of, well, most BMWs. So yeah, that's just been one that I've wanted to hit for a long time. I bought the double slat gloss black kidney grills, so I'll show you those in a little bit. But yeah, there's obviously a lot more I want to do to the car, but I thought this would be good to do a video on. Me and my dad are going to try and do a how-to video on this, but I never have success when it comes to grills and stuff. With the Clio, I absolutely demolished the front grille on that and all of the clips snapped, so that was a fail. As you can see, it's absolutely hammering down here, so I'm just recording inside quickly. And then yeah, gonna pull the car into the garage. Gonna pull the car into the garage to try and get a little bit dry, but my garage is a little bit full, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, let me know if you would have went for the single slat gloss black or the double slat. I prefer the double slat because I feel like it makes it look a little bit more modern, seeing as cars like the M2 have it and stuff. Or let me know if you just leave it standard with the chrome, but personally I just hate chrome, so it's gotta go. So yeah, if you are new around here, please smash the subscribe button and like the video if you do enjoy. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So that's the packaging they come in, magic kit, and then yeah, plenty of packaging there. They're the double slat ones, so we'll unpack those in a little bit. Got my dad outside as well with his Range Rover. He's going to help me because I absolutely hate doing grills and stuff because of the stupid little clips. So yeah, we got the expertise of my dad, and yeah, we're just gonna have a go at fitting these. So yeah, we'll do a before and after, and hopefully they look wicked. Right there, everyone, my dad's here, Mr. Professional.
Hello.
So the only thing we've done so far is take the rubber off. That one there.
Yeah.
So you take the rubber off this bit, and then there's 6 torque screws, which you can do with a flathead. And then we just need to get it away then. What do we do? Just pull these clips in it?
We just
pull that away.
break it off now in
Snap
places.
Snap it off.
No, we'll just take those clips off, and
Yeah.
hopefully then it should pull forward and we can get our hands behind to pop the grills out.
This ugly chrome can hopefully go off the car then. We've got the new ones in that box here, haven't we? We haven't got a lot of room to work with.
No.
It's
And it's
hammered. Yeah.
to say the least.
So we'll try and do this now, and then hopefully they're pretty simple to pop out then. Right, so this is the easiest way to do it. We did snap a few clips, but obviously the holes all remain fine, so it's just like the old grills that...
If you don't plan on putting them back on, you...
Yeah, you're fine
right.
then. Yeah. So yeah, they're in a bit of a mess, but...
they would still hold on anyway, even if you...
Yeah, they'd be
back
fine,
on,
but they're not going back on the car anyway. So yeah, we're going to put the fresh new ones in now. So here they are, the double slat ones.
Give you the white one first.
Yeah, give that a wipe, and yeah, hopefully these just go in nice and easy then. Yeah, so they're nice and clean now, and hopefully they just slot in. Fingers crossed. Hopefully. Oh, that sounds pretty good.
That's it, right?
I think so. Yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, that's it. Nice.
That's as far as he goes, actually.
And the plate. Oh, on the sides, yeah, if you push on the sides as well then.
That's him.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
That's one.
that was pretty easy. And the next one. Yeah, I think they make a massive difference, don't they? Look a lot cleaner.
Yeah,
like,
nice.
like the twin slat. Like.
Twin slat.
Yeah. Gone for this look, guys, because it gives it more of a modern look, I'd say. Because the M2 has like the twin slats and stuff, so just think it freshens it up a little bit, like.
couple of clicks.
Oh, nice, yeah, that was a good click. That end, I think, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, it fits nice.
There you go.
Yeah, happy days. Yeah, the double slap, like.
Nice.
Yeah, lovely. Perfect. So yeah, I've been wanting to do that for ages. Looks so much better now. I absolutely hate chrome. But yeah, cheers Dad for helping out.
No problem.
As always, your expertise.
Top 10 way breaking stuff.
Yeah, top clip snapper. But yeah, that was the only way for us anyway. We ain't got time to be mucking about. And,
just rip them out.
Yeah, pretty much. There it is, so it looks so much better. Don't know whether to slightly adjust the plate so it's not actually overlapping with the grills. But let me know what you think down in the comments. I think it looks 10 times better without the chrome on it. Beating something I wanted to do for ages, like I said. So yeah, let me know what you think of it down in the comments below, guys. I'm absolutely chuffed with it, if I'm honest. I feel like it just looks so much cleaner on the front of the car. Sorry for the absolute B-Tech how-to video. I mean, my dad just couldn't be bothered to try and get those grills off in one piece because I'm not really going to have a use for them again. I could try selling them, but I'm not that bothered. They probably would stick back on the car if I really wanted them to. But yeah, like I say, if you're changing them, then chances are they're not going back on the car. So yeah, let me know, like again, what you would go for, the single slat, double slat, or if you just leave them chrome. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed. Please smash the subscribe button, like if you did enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.